The tale is timeless. A nation pursued, cornered by a vast sea. Suddenly a path emerges, waters divide. They walk on dry ground, astonishing. This is the legendary Red Sea crossing, a story passed down through millennia. It has inspired faiths, it has sparked debates. But what if there was more to uncover? For centuries, curiosity has lingered. Was it purely a miracle, or did nature have a hand? Could science ever illuminate this enigma? Historians delved into ancient writings. Archaeologists searched for traces on land. The sea, however, guarded its secrets. The Red Sea is a place of complexity. It is a rift valley, slowly drifting apart. Its depths are immense, its shores ancient. Could such a monumental event leave a mark? The challenge was daunting, yet human curiosity knows no bounds. The Red Sea crossing became a captivating scientific mystery. Then came the year 2025. News began to ripple, first whispers, then roars. Something extraordinary had been found. Deep beneath the waters of the Red Sea, evidence, tangible evidence, linked to that ancient epic crossing. The scientific world buzzed with energy. Could this finally be it? The discovery was called groundbreaking, revolutionary. It promised to change our understanding, not just of one event, but of history itself. For so long, this story lived in faith and in the pages of ancient scriptures. Now science was offering a new perspective, a new set of data to consider. The implications were enormous. A dedicated team had been at work, quietly, persistently for several years. They were from the International Maritime Heritage Institute, a collaboration of scientists from many fields. They focused on a specific debated region, a northern stretch of the Gulf of Suez. This area had been proposed before, but never explored with such advanced tools. The announcement came in early May 2025. The world leaned in, eager to learn more. How did they find these clues? It was not simple. The sea guards its secrets. The team used cutting-edge technology. Think of it as an eye that sees through water and through layers of time-laden sediment. They employed advanced multibeam sonar systems. These systems map the seabed in high detail, creating three-dimensional images of the depths. They also used sub-bottom profilers. These instruments send sound waves deeper, penetrating the mud and sand on the seafloor. They can reveal buried structures or geological layers. Imagine an X-ray for the Earth beneath the waves. This technology helped pinpoint areas of interest, areas where the seabed looked different, disturbed in a way that suggested a major event. Underwater remotely operated vehicles, or ROVs, played a key role. These are robotic submarines, tethered to the ship, equipped with cameras, lights, and robotic arms. The ROVs could investigate targets identified by sonar. They provided the first visual confirmation, collecting samples of sediment and any objects. This work required incredible precision. So what exactly did they find down there? The evidence is compelling and quite specific. In a relatively shallow, narrow underwater channel, they discovered formations suggesting a land bridge, a ridge now submerged, but perhaps once exposed. The sonar data showed unusual erosion patterns, as if vast amounts of water had moved rapidly, first one way, then rushing back. The team was led by two key figures: Dr. Aris Thorne, a brilliant marine geologist. He specialized in seabed dynamics and ancient coastlines. His work focused on interpreting the geological signatures. Dr. Lena Hanson, a renowned underwater archaeologist. Her expertise was in Bronze Age cultures of the Near East. She meticulously analyzed any potential artifacts. Together, they formed a powerful investigative duo. Among the most startling finds were metallic objects, embedded in hardened sediment layers. Analysis suggested these were consistent with chariot components, bronze and possibly iron remnants. Their design matched those used in the region during the theorized period of the Exodus. Skeletal remains were also reported, both human and animal. Though preservation was poor, their presence was significant. The evidence points to such a dramatic natural event. Section 5. Revisiting old ideas, a new current of thought. This new evidence forces us to look again at previous theories about the Red Sea crossing. For years, ideas have swirled, many plausible. One common theory was wind set-down, where strong winds could push shallow waters aside. This was often suggested for a northern, marshy area, the Sea of Reeds, or Yam Suf in Hebrew. The 2025 discovery lends new weight to this, but with a specific location and mechanism. The evidence for a temporary land bridge and the erosion patterns fit this model. It suggests the event was indeed powerful and localized. Other theories included tsunamis from volcanic eruptions, like the ancient Thera eruption. However, the timing and geology didn't always match perfectly. Some suggested misidentification of the body of water, perhaps a smaller lake or lagoon. The new findings in a specific part of the Gulf of Suez suggest a larger, more dramatic event, yet it still points to natural phenomena. Extraordinary, yes, but explainable by science. The key was finding the precise location. Previous searches were hampered by less advanced technology or incorrect assumptions. The 2025 team built upon decades of prior research. Section 6, Reshaping History, the discovery's wide wake. What does this all mean? The implications are vast. They stretch far for our understanding of ancient history. This discovery provides a potential physical context for a story that has shaped civilizations. It connects an ancient narrative to tangible geology and to archaeological findings. This is a powerful link. It highlights the migrations of ancient peoples, the challenges they faced, the environments they navigated. If such an event occurred, it was formative. It would live on in collective memory, passed down through generations, becoming legend. Science can now help us understand the setting, the stage upon which these human dramas unfolded. It adds a new layer to our historical maps. The discovery also champions interdisciplinary research, geologists, archaeologists, historians, oceanographers, all working together, sharing insights. This is how modern science tackles big questions. The Red Sea crossing mystery is a perfect example. Section 7, where science meets story, a new chapter. This discovery inevitably touches on faith. For many, the Red Sea crossing is a divine miracle. Does this scientific explanation diminish that? Or does it offer a different kind of wonder? The wonder of the natural world, its capacity for rare, awe-inspiring events. Perhaps it shows how nature itself can be extraordinary. This is a conversation that will unfold. The scientists involved are cautious. They present their findings as evidence for an event, a remarkable natural event. They do not claim to prove or disprove Scripture. Science describes the how, the physical processes. The interpretation of meaning often lies elsewhere in history, philosophy, and theology. The goal is to understand what happened. This new evidence can foster dialogue between scientific communities and faith communities. It offers a shared point of interest, a subject for respectful discussion and learning. Understanding the natural mechanisms does not preclude other layers of meaning. For some, it might even deepen their appreciation of the power inherent in the natural world. Section 8, the unfolding map. Our quest continues. Has the mystery been solved? Perhaps a significant piece of the puzzle is now in place, but science is a journey. This discovery changes our understanding, shifts perspectives, and opens new doors. Even the most ancient stories can yield new insights through scientific inquiry. The past is not as distant as we might think. The future of underwater archaeology is exciting. There are countless other sites, countless other questions. What more can we learn about our ancestors? Each discovery refines our map of human history. The Red Sea finding is a testament to human ingenuity and curiosity. We explore the past to understand our place in the cosmos. The quest for knowledge drives us forward. The universe is full of wonders, waiting for us to find them.